I took my 2020 Toyota Tundra to the dealership to get some maintenance done on it. You know, they rotated the tires and everything, changed oil for free. But they said that my cabin filter needed to be changed, and they were going to charge me $50. So I called AutoZone, and it cost $19, so they was going to charge me an additional $30 to change this. So I'm going to show you where this at. It's in the glove compartment. If you look there, it's a slide this up to remove. So that's where your filter, your cabin filter is at. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is. I'm gonna go ahead and move this right here. You just pull it right up. Because I'm filming this by myself, so I'm using one hand to do this. It's just some tabs on there, so you don't really have to move it, but it's really simple to do, so just slide it straight up. But here's where the cabin filter is at. It's a slide this up. So you put your hand right here, and you just push up. It'll snap out. If you see it popped out. Once you do that, just put that to the side. And this is the hardest part, which is really easy. You just push these tabs in. You push them both in with two hands and just slide it toward you. So I'm gonna have to put the camera down to do this. See how that is? Just push both of them in and pull it out. And it'll slide right out. Once you do that, the filter will be right there. As you can see these little hinges right there. Just push them in and slide out. And there's your filter. So you just take your hand and pull the filter out and put the new one in. It's that simple. And this is my old filter, which I'm just showing you how to change it. I'm gonna put a new one in there tomorrow. But this is the old filter, and they was gonna charge me $50 to do this replacement, which only takes about 2 minutes. So once you're done and putting your filter in, just do everything in reverse and put it back in the way you took it out. It's real simple. See, I put the filter in, and I put the little face on, cover on it. You'll hear it snap in place. And put this cover on, and put my other piece on, and you're really done. That's it. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.